Hello students, today we will continue our exercise 14.3. In this we have a median. Median is the measure of central tendency which gives the value of middlemost observation of a data. Here we have to find the middlemost term value of observing data. For group data we have formula equals to median equals to L plus in bracket n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h, where L is the lower limit of median class, Cf is the cumulative frequency of preceding median class, and f is a frequency of median class, h is the class length, and n is the number of observation. And the relation between mean median mode is 3 median equals to mode plus 2 mean. We can say that mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. You have to remember this relation and you will get a single sum based on this. Let's start how to find the median of a term of a sum. Question I will solve first this question, which is very simple. The lifetime of 400 neon lamps, lifetime in hours, 1500 to 2000, number of bulbs lamps are 14, 2000 to 2500, number of lamps are 56, 2500 to 3000, number of lamps are 60, 3000 to 3500, number of lamps are 86, 3500 to 4000, number of lamps are 74, 4000 to 4500, number of lamps are 62, and 4500 to 5000, number of lamps are 48. This we have a lifetime in hours, we have to put this, and the number of lamps are as given in question, and total number of lamps are 400. We have to make this table. First of all, this 14 as it is in second, we have to add this 14 plus 56, we will get answer 70. In same way we have to add three terms, 14 plus 56 plus 60, we will get result equals to 130. Then we have to add four terms, means 15, 14 plus 56 plus 60 plus 86, we will get result equals to 216. In same way we have to add this whole first five terms, we will get result equals to 290. Then six terms, we will get result equals to 352, and in last we have to add all these terms, we will get equals to result equals to 400. This is the trick. First as same it is, in second we have to add two terms, two frequencies, then in third we have to add 3, in fourth we have to add 4, in 5 we have to add 5, in 6 we have to say all the 6 frequency. In this way we will get the column of cumulative frequency. Now first of all we have to do n by 2, total n is 400, 400 by 2 is 200. Now I have to decide the first median class. I have selected this class on the basis of this 200. After 130 we have 200, means in this class this number will fall, so I have selected this class. Now I have a median formula equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. Now first of all I have to find L. I have selected this model class, and this is the value of L, means the first lower limit of a model class is L. Then n by 2, we know that the value of n by 2 is this, means 200. Cf means the preceding value of a model class. This is the preceding, this is model class. On above we have a cumulative frequency equals to 130, we have put it here. And f is the frequency of model class, this is 86, this we have to put as a f, and h is 500, it's the difference of this model class length of 3500 minus 500 is h. Now by solving this, L is 3000 and n by 2 is 200 minus 130 into 500, 200 minus 130 is 70, 70 into 500 is 35,000 upon 86, and 3000 at 35,086 is 406.98. Now we have to add 3000 plus 406.98. We will get equals to 3406.98 hours. Next question is question number 7. The distribution below of weight of 30 students of a class. We have to find the median of the weight. The weight having a different classes as here we have in a question, and the number of students are as below. In this, first of all, we have to make a column with 3 columns. In first we have to put weight, in second we have to put frequency, in third we have to make a cumulative frequency. In first, 2 as it is, 2 plus 3 is, first of all we have to add this, 2 plus 3 is 5, and in third we have to add all the 3 terms. We will get equals to 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 is 13. In same way we have to add 4 terms, we will get result equals to 19. In same way, 5 terms, we will get result equals to 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. Here the total frequency is 30. First of all, we have to find the model class. Here we have a total frequency equals to 30, means n by 2. N by 2 is 15. 30 by 2 is 15. We have to decide this class. So I have to select this class. How I have selected this class? Because after total we have frequency cumulative n by 2 is 15. So 13 here, so 14 and 15, 15 will come in this model class. On this basis, we have to find the value of different parameters which are in the formula of median, and we have to put the value of terms. First of all, n by 2 is 15. The median class is 55 by 60. So L is, this is L, lower limit is 55. And frequency is directly 6, 13, and we have to use this as CF. And H is the difference of this 60 minus 55 is, difference of this is H. By putting the value of L n by 2 CF upon F into H. So L is 55, N by 2 is 15, CF is 13, and F is 6, and H as 5. First of all, 15 minus 13 is 2 into 10 upon 6. So we will get result equals to 55 plus 5 by 3. And 5 by 3 value is 1.67. And 55 is added to 1.67 is equals to 56.67. You have to solve this sum in your notebook. Thank you, students.